Boat is falling. Finally, we've reached Aircard. See. You're going for boating?
Yeah.
You like? Let's go for boating. Let's go! So tried the coffee here and the muffin. Shruti, busy on call. Chiru, which one you want? Coffee or this? See, going to our first destination in Aircard. What is it?
This is Anna Park.
Or we are going for boating. So there is a boating pricing you saw just now, and we are going for the boating. Maybe two pedal, maybe three we have to take pedal.
No, only two is enough.
Two is enough?
So what he'll do?
Okay.
Not do, no?
Okay, let's see. Let's ask. Last time we had done, you know? You remember that?
Horse riding.
Horse riding?
Can you see that?
Horse.
Oh, this is for hey, Babu.
Okay, well, coming, Chiragam. Not now. We'll fall sick then. चलो आमेले बंद मेरे That is the pricing for so finally got a ticket. I think we are 5 members from waiting. Excited, Shruti? First time boating?
Hey, how many times we have been? This is
In
only
Aircard.
Only for Chirag. Yeah,
In Aircard. Huh, Chiru? Chirag? Shruti, come. Let's go, Chiru, come. How about turn? Hey, Chiru, you're boating.
Enjoy.
You don't hold this, Chiru. Don't hold this. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. For a day, we have come for this smile. Chiru, show. Open gate smile. Huh? Show Chiru, smile this side. Smile here, Chiru. Yee. Gate is open. He is a Bill Gate. Chiru, you are a Bill Gates here. This is our first destination. We are having fun. Come to Aircard. Drive for 6 hours and come to Aircard.
Kuch bhi, it is not 6 Bab. It is only 4.5 hours.
Okay, 4.5 hours, but I took 6 hours.
Why? Why did you take 6 hours?
Boat is falling. Oh my god. Oh, other boat is falling. Hey, we are also falling.
Oh my God.
Other boat is falling. We are also falling. We have become Titanic. Chiru, go this way. We're going this way. Here is the boat house, and that's where we had come. And that's where we have to submit our boat. That's
In
where.
half nimsha ide. We have to go back.
And we'll be done. Done with the fun, Chiru. Let's go home. Pedal fast. So soon he learned maneuvering. See, he's only maneuvering. It is very confusing. Left means right, right means left. Still he's able to do. Chiru, you learned how to handle? You're going? We will reach us there safely. Huh? That's what. Very, very aram driver. Let's go. No. Right, Chiru, right today. Correct. See? In. Super, Chiru. You are the best. Nice, Chiru. Give me a high five. Suti, what is this? Eco Park. Okay. Eco Park.
See, Babu, just now we were here boating. That is one entrance. Ticket we have to buy for that.
Yes.
Again, when you come here,
One more ticket. One more ticket. One more gate. Very nicely, neatly they are managing and looting.
looting. But look at the view, no? So nice.
View is good. Haircut.
Come, Babu. We'll take
Everything is good, but everywhere charges. Just for the park also they are charging. But it's okay. They are maintaining at least. So let's do some photo shoots.
Surprise, okay? Big surprise you have never seen in your entire life. Come, walk. Run. Okay, I'll show it from here, okay? She can't get down.
No, we can get done. Come.
Is it
From there, come.
there?
Oh, this is very scary. He will be scared, Shruti. Beda. Shruti will be scared. Beda. Beda. Tumba danger agide. Hey, beda. Shruti, beda. Hey. Shruti, beda. Don't open this. Tumba bhaya aಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಎದುರ್ಕೊ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಎದುರ್ಕೊ ಬಿಡ್.
Stand there. Dada will take one picture.
Zero, you're scared. Huh? Scared? ಶ್ರುತಿ ಇದಂತೂ ಚಿರಾಗು ಎದುರ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಚಿರು ಎದುರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. ಎದುರ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. No, don't get scared. Okay, ಚಿರು.
ಚಲೋ walk.
Come, Shruti, come here and show him. Chiru, leave. Look at that. Go touch.
Here, face. He's sitting on the way.
Okay, come. Hey, his hand. This thing. Fast. We have to go. Come. Please, come. Save. Give my hand. Come. I'll help you. Come. How are you feeling, Chiru? Chiru, how are you feeling?
Nice.
You saved the world. Yeah, jump.
Zero, yay, you do.
So for evening dinner, we came to this famous place in Yercaud called Sweet Rascal. It had so many unique wordings on the wall. The place looked amazing. It was looking like some farmhouse. The only drawback was that there was no menu. Every time the guy would come and repeat the menu. Otherwise, the food was great. We loved the fish here. We loved the mutton chukka here. Great place.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? Smells good. I'm not tasting it. ಹೆಂಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಊಟ? Nice? Liking it?
As per the habit is good.
Birthday ದಿವಸ ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ you are very sad, no? Finally you are having what they say? Chappan bhog.
In Chappan only one has come. Pachpan or is the meaning.
Okay. Hey Chiru, do you like?
Then we got this fish, pan-fried fish,
Dada.
salmon. Okay, let's try, Shruti. Try.
Wait now, it'll take time.
Try. Nice presentation, nice garnishing.
Very nice.
Oh, ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಇದೆ ಇದು.
Oh, those are with this serving.
It's 2.4.
Just melting now.
Super.
No, really.
Really?
It's not like fake tara. It's very, very tasty. First time I liked fish also so much.
Is it? She doesn't eat fish much and she doesn't give review. If she's giving, that means it is good. Let's try.
Just melt everything.
Mama, you should have it for
You come now, I'll give you fish. So tasty it is.
And this is the next day, and we came to this very famous place in Yercaud called the Sky Park. So there are a lot of activities here. For example, Tunnel Aquarium, Trick Eye Museum, Museum of Yercaud, Mystery Tunnel, 12D Theatre, Tree of Life, VR games, Topiary Garden, air rifle shooting, King Miani, archery 360-degree camera, kids trampoline, scary house, London bus ride, Mystery Tunnel, golf cart, etc. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll show you everything that we did inside the Sky Park. See you in the next episode. Bye. Take care. And make sure you go to Yercaud and enjoy everything that is there to offer.